Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Not that cool of an item, but it will maybe someday help you rotate a triangle. So I'm going to get the polygon tool, and it's set on three-sided. I'm going to hit P, put it in the center page, which really doesn't matter in this case. I'm going to take an ellipse and hit P. And then I'm going to hold down the control button and have it snap to that center. And I'm going to take my Smart Fill tool, which is my shortcut key F, and I'm going to move that out of the way. You don't really have to stay in the center of the page for this. And then what I want to do is take this one and use the interactive fill tool, which I just made a hotkey for. It's alternate I. And well, we already got white over there. Let me just do the same colors. That wouldn't look half bad. I'm going to kind of adjust the red and maybe put another red here. I'm just playing. Maybe another orange or yellow. Let's call that good. Now here's kind of the trick to do this. Control D, hold down the control button and flip it. This isn't really a centerable item, but if you take a 2-point line and go and you have snap to object, it snaps to the center. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to left click, right click, and I need to rotate right there. So I'm going to Control D, double click on the rotation and put it right there on that node. I'm going to go and delete all this stuff. And I'm going to rotate this guy 60 degrees. And look at that, 120. And there's no telling what you could, you could use a lot better interactive fill tool. You could put a border around it. I like my first one better. Let's see what it just looks like. Oh, it looks, see how that changes it? Big deal or no big deal, pretty big deal. So that's how you could rotate. And it's another one, if you look at it in the way I look at things, this is a 6-sided polygon inside there. Anyway, hope that gave you an idea or two, and thank you for watching.